Hello traders, welcome to this video on the TSI MACD Indicator for MT4. This hybrid momentum tool combines the True Strength Index with MACD in one oscillator window, giving you dual confirmation of bullish and bearish trends around a clear zero line. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the TSI MACD indicator appears in a separate sub-window below the main chart and oscillates between roughly negative 110 and positive 110, with the zero line as the central bias level. The blue line is the main momentum line and the red line is the signal line. When the blue line is above zero, the market has a bullish bias, and when it is below zero, the bias is bearish. Now, when we have crossover between the blue and red lines, especially as they move from oversold at the negative towards zero, or from overbought at the positive back down, visually highlights potential buy or sell opportunities. As you can see here, the blue line heading towards overbought conditions and a bullish trend. Now let's move on to its settings. We have the fast and slow, the signal line, the first hour, second S, and signal period, and the mode of smoothing. This indicator merges TSI and MACD logic so that both volatility, smoothed momentum measures are reflected in a single plot, helping to level out noise and produce more consistent bullish and bearish indications than using TSI or MACD alone. Now, this input tab lets us adjust default parameters and you can adjust them to suit your trading style or strategy. You can also adjust the color of the signal and blue line. And let's move forward. Who is it for? The TSI MACD indicator is suitable for both new and experienced traders who want stronger momentum confirmation for trend following, overbought, oversold analysis, and divergences. Overbought and oversold readings do not guarantee immediate reversals, and performance can suffer in narrow range bound market on small time frames. Like any technical tool, it can produce false signals and should be combined with price action, structure, and solid risk management rather than used in isolation. You can find the download link in the description below and read the full TSI MACD indicator for MT4 in the article by Forex Geek. This article includes the strategy checklist for buy and sell setups, pros and cons, and practical usage notes. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.